Have you ever wondered which tiny seed might make a big impact on your health, chia or flax? Both are packed with nutrients, but today we're uncovering the top 5 health benefits of each to help you decide which one is right for you. Whether you're here for weight loss, heart health, or simply to elevate your wellness routine, this video has you covered. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss our tips on living your healthiest life. Stick around to the end, we have a special wellness bonus you won't want to miss. First, let's start with the basics. Chia seeds and flax seeds are both nutritional powerhouses, famous for their omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. But did you know they each bring something different to the table? Let's dive into our comparison and see which one comes out on top. Bonus tip: if you're curious about the powerful benefits of herbs for health, check out the book I've linked in the description. It's packed with insights into the forgotten power of herbal remedies. Scroll down and take a look. Benefit number 1, heart health. Our first benefit is heart health. Both chia and flax seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid essential for heart support. Fun fact: flax seeds contain slightly more omega-3s than chia seeds, so if you're prioritizing heart health, adding ground flax to your morning smoothie might be a good choice. Benefit number 2, digestive health. Next up is digestive health. Chia seeds are incredibly high in soluble fiber, which absorbs water and forms a gel in your stomach. This not only helps keep you feeling full, but also slows digestion, making chia seeds fantastic for anyone focusing on weight loss. Pro tip: soak your chia seeds overnight in water or almond milk for an easy-to-digest breakfast that keeps you full all morning. Meanwhile, flax seeds have both soluble and insoluble fiber, which adds bulk and helps support regular digestion, making it a go-to for anyone aiming to keep things moving. Benefit number 3, antioxidant power. Antioxidants are crucial for fighting free radicals that can damage cells. Chia seeds have a higher antioxidant content than flax seeds, making them a powerful choice for anyone looking to reduce inflammation or keep skin glowing. If you're on the lookout for an anti-aging ally, chia seeds may be your best friend. Benefit number 4, bone health. Next, let's talk bone health. Did you know that chia seeds contain 18% of your daily calcium needs in just 1 ounce? That's fantastic news if you're dairy-free or simply looking to boost your calcium intake. For those wondering, which is better for bone health, chia or flax? Chia seeds definitely win this round. Pro tip: add a tablespoon of chia seeds to your yogurt or smoothie to sneak in some extra bone support throughout the day. Benefit number 5, skin and hair health. Finally, let's explore skin and hair health. Both chia and flax seeds contribute to radiant skin and shiny hair, thanks to their omega-3s and antioxidants. Flax seeds are often blended into recipes like smoothies and oatmeal for an added beauty boost. However, chia seeds also bring a strong antioxidant punch that supports youthful skin. For optimal beauty results, try incorporating both of these seeds into your weekly diet. So, what's the verdict on the chia versus flax seed comparison? Well, it all depends on your health goals. Chia seeds shine when it comes to bone health and antioxidants, while flax seeds are stars for heart support and digestion. Here's an idea: include both for a balanced diet that gives you the best of both worlds. Reminder: Herbs for Health ebook is exclusively available from the official website. Click the link in the description for the real deal and start exploring herbal remedies. If you enjoyed today's breakdown of the health benefits of chia seeds and flax seeds, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into holistic living. Which do you prefer, chia or flax? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and remember, wellness is all about finding what works best for you.